The Valentine Evo twin-tank electric fryer has an inbuilt pumped oil filtration system. The Valentine pumped oil filtration system will pump twice filtered oil back into the pan. Press the drain valve safety catch and turn the red drain valve lever into the vertical position. The oil and any food debris will drain into the oil bucket. Place the discharge pipe into the outlet and click into place over the pan that needs to be filled. The filtered oil returns to the pan through the microfilter, and at the end of the filtration time, the pump will switch off. Take the oil bucket carefully out of the fryer, avoiding any spillage. The oil pickup tube will lift upwards as you do this. Remove the mesh filter and discard any food debris. Replace the clean oil bucket and mesh filter and then close the door. Before cleaning the fryer, ensure that the fryer off eco fry switch and the main power isolator are in the off position. Make sure that the temperature of the oil is below 40 degrees centigrade before starting the cleaning procedure. Check that the oil bucket is empty. Remove the basket hanger and element head cover and keep these in a safe place. Press the drain valve safety catch and move the red drain valve lever into the vertical position. The oil and any food debris will drain into the oil bucket. Take the element lifting rod, which is located on the left-hand side of the oil bucket behind the door. Lift the element to the first drain position, allowing any oil to drain off. Finally, lift the element to the cleaning position. When all of the oil is drained, turn the red drain valve handle to the horizontal position. Carefully take the oil bucket out of the fryer, avoiding spillage. Remove the mesh filter and pour the oil steadily into a container for disposal and clean up any spillages immediately. Replace the oil bucket and mesh filter and then close the door. When the fryer is cooled down and before leaving the kitchen, remove the cover from the inside of the door and place over the fryer.